Right, we've got a rather interesting sequence here, because on the face on one part of it, it looks quite straightforward, but then you've got these negatives which aren't positive. So let's see what we can do, I guess. First thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to pretend these negatives don't exist. If you pretend something doesn't happen, then that's good, isn't it? Can't you just hide your head in the sand? Maybe not. But to begin with, let's see what happens. So if I just want to treat this like it's any sequence, I can see that it's an arithmetic sequence. I can see that if I'm forgetting the sign, so let's just put it down here. So forget the sign for a bit. So I've got 5, 8, 11, 14 and 17. And you notice that I'm going up in threes. So it's the 3 times table. I'm using n here, not x. Sometimes you can use x, I'm using 3 here. The 3 times table will be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. And you can see the adjustment that I needed to make to get from this value to the one above is to add 2. And so that's the sequence. But clearly, if I did that, I wouldn't get this. If I did that, I'd get 5, 8, 11. So I need to do something in front of it. And here's the clue, here's the thing. And this is quite powerful. You'll like this. I'm going to put this in front, but I'm going to add something to it. And watch what happens. So here's my sequence, but I'm going to times the output by -1 to the power of n. And let's just see how that all plays out. Let's just do these ones here and show you. N is 1. So on the first one, n is 1. I'll put 1 there. 1 in there, so it's 3. So that's 1 to the 1 is, that doesn't change the sign, that's an odd, so we get -5. Now try when it's 2. So 2 goes into there, 2 3s are 6, because say we know that. But -1 squared is +1, so it's 8. And I should have put this in brackets really, shouldn't I? Hello. I should have put that in brackets. There we go. So this one, that's the 3 now, the third term. And in brackets here, when 3 goes into, oh, I know it's 11. 3 3s are 9 plus 2 is 11. Look what happens. -1 to the power 3 is minus. So we get a -11. Now if you followed all the way that through, you see how it oscillates between the signs. That's how you get complicated arithmetic sequence. Nice, isn't it?